A very good morning, all my dear children. Today we are going to discuss C7 exercise of lesson Fearless Fighter. And what is it? This is answer the following questions. And first question is, why were the officials of the English Channel Association shocked to see Janki? This happened in the beginning when she was going to face the interview, and the officials were shocked to see. Why they were shocked? Because they were very much surprised to see a physically challenged girl, and still she wanted to swim across the channel, which needed lots of strength and courage. Means this was the event which required lots of hard work and lots of energy, lots of bravery, and they were having a doubt whether she will be able to do this or not. So that's why they were shocked to see Janki in the beginning when she came for the interview. This is question number 1. Now question number 2 is, what was wrong with Janki? How did it happen? In the first part of the question, this is what was wrong with Janki. It means what was the limitation of Janki, right? So the limitation was, you as you have seen, that she was a physically challenged girl. And what was the problem with her? That she was not able to use her legs properly. Why? Because she had been attacked by polio when she was 2 years old. So these are the two parts to be answered of this question. Now question number 3 is, why were all the officials impressed with Janki? Later, the officials were impressed with Janki. Why? What did she do? The reason behind it is, all the officials were impressed with Janki when she showed them her certificates. And these certificates proved that she had trained herself to swim in the channel. As her certificates were showing that she had trained herself and she was able to swim for 20 kilometers, isn't it? Every day for 3 weeks in Arabian Sea. It means she had gone through a tough, you can say, training, and she had well prepared herself to participate in the event. So that's why all the officials were impressed with Janki. Now question number 4 is, in what in what way did July 28, 1992 create history? Now this was the special day. On this particular day, Janki was getting a chance to participate, to swim in to participate in an event for which she was waiting for, isn't it? And this was the ambition of her life. And being a physically challenged girl, she had prepared for the same after doing lots of training for that. Okay, so the why this day was an important one. Okay, so July 28, 1992 created history. Created history means it was an important day, because on this day, Janki, a physically challenged girl, achieved the aim of her life by swimming across the channel, across the English Channel successfully. And she achieved the ambition, the aim, the goal of her life. So that's why it created history. Then is question number 5. What were the difficulties that Janki faced while swimming across the channel? As you remember, when we were discussing the story, we talked about this in detail, that mainly she faced 3 main difficulties. So we will be writing this answer in 3 points. Number 1, we can say that very cold and strong waves of the English Channel took most of Janki's energy, isn't it? And because when she was swimming, most of her energy was taken by the very cold water and strong waves of the channel. Second one, the water of the channel was very much salty, and whenever it entered her mouth, it made her feel sick. उसको ऐसे लगा कि वो का पता नहीं कितनी बीमार हो गई है. It made her feel sick. Now third one was seaweeds and jellyfish stuck to her body and made her uncomfortable. As you all know that in the sea water there are so many jellyfish, so many seaweeds. Seaweeds means the plants which are growing in the sea. They were sticking to her body and making her very much uncomfortable. So these are the main three difficulties she faced while swimming across the channel. So that's all for today's work. You will do this work in your notebook, and thank you a lot. Thanks a lot, and have a nice day.